Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Rockwood 2507. Take a look at this camper. Awesome job by Rockwood here. Look at this outside kitchen. And of course with Rockwood you get two griddles on this model. This camper is 25 feet 10 inches. Awesome job back here. Look at that small little outside slide. Let's take a walk around it. Take a walk inside of it. There's your swing arm griddle there. And there's a better view in slow motion of that griddle and of that outside kitchen with a nice big beer fridge, as well as a plumbed in sink and outside storage. Moving down the camper there, you have your table that attaches to the side of the camper. Let's take a walk inside to see what the inside has to offer. So this is the Newport ash cabinetry color here, a little bit brighter on the inside, as well as the stone decor on the furniture. So there's the dinette inside of the slide there. Also doubles as a bed, and you can remove that table and take it outside and use it. There's the Murphy bed in its up position, gives you a nice clean look while it's up, and of course while it's down you have a clean view out of the window in the front. Of course all Rockwoods have solid surface countertops, and the 2023s now have the one-touch system. There's your 12-volt refrigerator in passing. There's your throne, nice porcelain toilet in all the Rockwoods, and a nice big 3 sliding glass doors, and your nice big shower with the shower miser. Nice vanity, plenty of cabinetry space there. Plenty of storage inside this nice little camper. Half-ton towable on these units are awesome. Look at this nice little pantry you got here, or storage for any kind of toiletries you may need. Here's your kitchen. Again, solid surface countertop. Nice little oven. Awesome view in here. TV is over in the corner there. Thanks for joining us.